Hello my friend, this is Sora Joanna and today we're going to cook another buldak variation. And for those who see me for the first time, this is episode 3 from my buldak series. In episode 1, we made our own homemade genuine buldak sauce. So check it out, the link will be posted at the end of this video. So are you ready? It's really up to your choice. You can use your own homemade buldak sauce or the one you bought from the store. Okay, let's go! In the last episode, we cooked 9 different kinds of buldak noodle dishes. Now, in this episode, I'm going to use buldak sauce as a stir-frying sauce and a mixing sauce for rice balls. First, let's do the chicken. Please use boneless thigh only if you want it 닭갈비 style. I use 450 grams of boneless chicken thigh, half onion, 90 grams, cabbage, 90 grams, half carrot, 50 grams this time. And I cut everything into bite-sized pieces. Unlike the previous episode, I'll marinate it. Sorry my friend, I found out stir-frying chicken with oil first was too greasy. So no need to do that, just mix everything with my sauce and stir-fry it. Cover to cook in high heat and stir-fry it time to time. Cook for 5 minutes and it's done. This is perfect 닭갈비, Korean spicy chicken stir-fry. And it's always a great idea to add mozzarella on top. Any meat is good for cheese topping. This salty, spicy flavor really goes along well with cheese. Gosh, I wish I was a better cameraman. This video cannot show how tasty they are. Jeez! My other choice meat is pork. Let's marinate it. And my choice of veggies are onion, green onion, and garlic. Since my pork is very thin, no need to marinate it long. You can cook it right away. I won't cover it cause my cut is very thin, but if your cut is thick, you can cover it too. Voila! It's done! So delicious! Now seafood time. This is frozen and ready cut squid, and it's so easy to use. Unlike other seafood, octopus, squid, and cuttlefish have much water inside. So I stir-fry them first to remove the water. But if your heat is much stronger than the one in the restaurant, you don't need to do this procedure. And I don't boil them in the water because some of the flavors and nutrients will melt away into water. Wow, this is one of my favorite! Yummy! Let's do the rice recipes. How about fried rice? Simply fry the rice with buldak sauce only, and much to your surprise, it is so good. You can add some vegetable, but I like it this way. I'll add only some egg and seaweed flakes. So quick, now it's done. Very simple, but very good. Shall we serve it pretty? Yay! Looks so professional! And the taste? Wow, so professional too! I like this simple buldak fried rice. Why don't you try? And the last, rice balls. I want to boil my sauce for a while. This procedure is totally optional. And for the rice ball, you can add gochujang, curry powder, and sugar to your sauce too. I want to prepare seaweed flakes and sesame. Now let's mix rice with sauce and then roll. Roll, roll, roll your ball, make it round and round. So my tip to make it pretty, make your palm like a scoop and then roll to make a ball. Wanna see again? Roll gently, don't press too hard. See? It's so pretty and yummy too. You can serve it in a plate or make it a lunchbox. Ta-da! Oh yes, who wants it? I want it. So good. So how are my recipe? I try too hard to include all the possible way to enjoy buldak sauce. But if I find more recipe in the future, I'll make episode number 4. And good thing about my buldak sauce, you can adjust it to your taste. So I increased sugar and curry a little more than my original recipe, and it works so fantastic. So do your experiment. It is so fun. And after I used my buldak sauce for so many dishes, an idea came to my mind. Ultimate stir-frying sauce that works for any ingredient. So subscribe to get notified for my new recipe, okay? Here's how. When you're watching my video, there's a subscribe button. Please click to subscribe. After you subscribe, this white bell button will appear. Click the bell to set. Please set it to all to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Where's the notification? It will appear in your phone, but in case you miss it, in YouTube Home, you can see this bell on top. Click the bell to see the notification, then click again my video. And if you're watching from outer link like Facebook, you can simply click Open App to go to YouTube, then subscribe, or click the subscribe button, then sign in from there. And in my video, I add ingredient in description. You can click the title to see it. In the description, there's a written ingredient and some infos about my recipe. And one final thing, if you enjoy and love my recipe and want to support my channel, please watch them fully. If you watch them from the beginning till the end, it really helps my channel grow. Please watch them in normal speed and no skipping. I really thank you for that. Thank you and thank you. Alright, bye for now. See you all in my next video.